So my voice is, am I audible, guys, all of you?
Yes, clearly audible.
Okay, right, very good. Okay, the given problem here, Shiva is 40 years old and Ritu is 60 years old. How many years ago was the ratio of their ages 3:5? Okay, what is the answer, guys?
Answer is option A.
Yes, option A is the right answer, guys. Very good. So look at the screen, guys, here. For example, Shiva and Ritu. So Shiva is how many years old? 40 years old. And Ritu is how many years old? 60 years old. How many years ago? We don't know. Let X, guys, here. Ago means minus. Okay. The ratio is given 3:5. So go through option verification, guys, here. The first option is 10. Ago means minus. 40 minus 10, 30. And 60 minus 10, 50. And 0 cancel. Then answer is 3:5. That's why option A is the right answer. 10 years ago, the ratio is 3:5. That's why first option is the right answer. The ratio of the ages of two persons is 4:7, and the age of one of them is greater than that of the other by 30 years. The sum of their ages is. The sum of their ages is. I think very, very easy problem, guys. So read the question properly, we'll get the answer. I think no need pen and paper. If, for example, the given ratio is 4:7. The first person is 4 parts and second person is 7 parts. Okay, one of them is greater than other by 30 years. It means we are checking difference, guys, here. First person is 4 parts, second person is 7 parts. So difference is how many parts, guys? 3 parts. So 3 parts is equal to greater than how many years? 30 years. Okay, 3 parts is equal to how many years? 30 years, guys, here. Okay, for example, guys, here total 30 chocolates, there is only 3 students. Now, each student getting how many chocolates?
10, sir.
Yes, very good. Same like this, 3 ones are, 3 tens are. So 1 part is equal to 10 years. 1 part is equal to 10 years. First, find out the first person. First person is 4 parts. 1 part is equal to 10 years. 4 into 10, 40 years. Second person is 7 parts. 1 part is equal to 10 years. 7 into 10, 70. The sum of their ages. So the sum of their ages, 40 plus 70, 110 years. That's why first option is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't do this process, guys. I think it's a time waster. Okay, don't do this process. Okay, only greater than problems, guys, here. Only greater than problems. So just add the given ratio. Only greater than problem. Just add the given ratio. Given ratio is 4:7. 4 plus 7 is how many parts? 11 parts. 11 parts related answer is 110. That's why first option is the right answer. అలా అని చెప్పి అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అప్లై చేయదండి. మా సార్ చెప్పారు అప్లై చేయాలి. సో రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్స్ కాదండి ఇక్కడ. ఓన్లీ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. Yes.
Once repeated.
Okay, no problem. First, I'm going to basic method, guys, here. The given ratio 4:7. Look at the screen, guys, here. Generally, my age is 7 parts. Your age is 4 parts. Okay. One of them is greater than other by 30 years. And so, meekana na age 30 years extra ga undanta. And we are taking difference. We are taking difference. And so my age is 7 parts. Your age is 4 parts. Difference is how many parts, guys? 3 parts. So 3 parts ki how many years extra? 30 years extra. 3 parts is equal to 30 years. Now, so 1 part is equal to how many years? So 3 ones are, 3 tens are. 1 part is equal to 10 years. So first find out the your age. Your age is 4 parts. 1 part is how much? 10 years. So 10 into 4, 40 years. Your age is 40 years. Find out the my age. I am 7 parts. 1 part is equal to 10 years. So 7 into 10, 70. The sum of our ages and both age, 40 plus 70, 110 years. So this is a basic method. Don't do this process. I think it's a time waste. Okay. So only greater than problems and only greater than problems. Just add the given ratio. Just add the given ratio. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 related answer, only 110. So that's why option A is the right answer. The sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years. Each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? What is the age of the youngest child? Okay, I think very, very easy question. First, read the question properly. Think generally, guys. Total, enter the concept, no formulas. Only formation is there.
Three,
Only
sir.
formation. Which option? Okay, right. Listen. The sum of ages of 5 children. Okay, 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years. It means each children between gap is how many years? 3 years, guys, here. First child ages we don't know. Let X, guys, here. First child ages we don't know. Let X. Second child ages how much, guys? Second child
Plus
ages
three,
how much?
X plus 3.
X plus 3, because each child between gap is 3 years, guys, here. And third child age is how much?
X plus 6.
Yes, very good. Fourth child age is how
X
much?
plus 9.
X plus 9. Fifth child age
plus
is how
12.
much? X plus 12.
12.
The sum of
Equal to
age is 50 years. The sum means adding. Sum means adding. Sum means adding. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5x. Then 5x plus 12 plus 9, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 3,
30.
30. So 30 is equal to 50. So
X is
5x is
25.
equal to 20. So 50 minus 30, 20. 5
X is
ones are,
equal to
5 fours are. X is equal to how many years, guys? 4
4
years.
4 years.
Find out the youngest child. Youngest child means X value. Then that's why option B is the right answer. Youngest child age is 4 years. First read the question properly, we'll get the answer, guys, here. I think no need pen and paper. But నేను మీకు explain చేయాలి కాబట్టి సో పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మీరు ఎవరికి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అంటే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందండి? I think not required. Okay, right. And move on to next question, guys, here. I am 3 times as old as my son. 15 years hence, I will be twice as old as my son. The sum of our ages is. The sum of our ages is. What is the answer, guys? Anyone? Simple question. So what is the answer? I think no need pen and paper.
60.
Okay. Yes, yes, very good, excellent. 60 is the right answer. 60 is the right answer, guys. Okay, I think no need pen and paper, Andy. If you are going to basic
Direct
method,
answer.
if you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to option verification method, we'll get the answer. You can use any method, not a problem. Okay, right. First read the first statement. I am 3 times as old as my son. My son age is, I don't know. Let one guys here. I am how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3,
3 times.
3. Okay, so this is the present age. And coming to the 15 years hence. So 15 years hence. Okay, I will be twice. 15 years hence also, my son age is, I don't know. Let one guys here. I am how many times? 2 times. So twice means 2 times. Okay, right. Go through option verification. The first option is 60. Second option is 40. Third option is 30. Okay, we have to find out the present age, the sum of our ages. The sum of our ages, right? So present my age is 3 parts. My son age is 1 part. Total how many parts, guys? Total how many parts?
4 parts.
4 parts. So 15 years hence, my age is 2 parts. My son age is 1 part. Total how many parts?
3 parts.
So 3 parts. Okay, go through option verification. The first option is 60. 60 is a multiples of 4.
Yeah, multiples of 4.
Yes, 415 the 60. Okay, next 60 is a multiples of 3.
20.
Yes, 320 is 60. So that's why first option is the right answer. Take the remaining options also, no problem. 40. 40 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 40 is a multiples of 3. No. That's why option B is the wrong option. And move on to third option, 30. 30 is a multiples of 3. So multiples of 4. No. So that's why option C also wrong option. That's why first option is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? So otherwise, yes, otherwise go to shortcut method also. Okay. So 3 is to 1 and 2 is to 1. 15 years hence. Already you know shortcut. What is the first step? Cross multiplication. Check the difference. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. Difference is how much? 1. And 2, 1. Difference is how much? 1. First find out the my age. I am how many parts here? 3 parts. So after 15 years, 15 plus 3, 15 into 3, 45. And don't write guys here. The second step difference is 1 and first difference is 1. It's a time waste. And find out the my son age. My son is how many parts here? 1 part. How many years after? 15 years. 15 into 1, 15. The sum of their ages, 45 plus 15 is how much? 60 years. So that's why option A is the right answer. Clear and all of you?
Clear, sir.
Okay. If you are going to basic method, we'll get the same answer, guys. No problem. Okay. Right. Next one. The sum of present ages of A and B is 11 times the difference of their ages. 5 years hence, their total ages will be 13 times the difference of their ages. What is the present age of elder one? What is the present age of elder one? Anyone, guys? What is the answer, guys?
30.
Yes, yes, very good. 30 is the right answer, guys. Here, 30 is the right answer. Okay, so first read the question properly, guys. Here, the sum of present ages of A and B. Sum means adding. The sum of present ages of A and B is 11 times the difference of their ages. This is the formation, guys. Here. Okay, first find out the A value, B value. A plus B is equal to 11 into A, 11A, and 11 into B, 11B. Okay, 11A minus A, 10A, 11B plus B, 12B. Okay, B needs side this coachessendi and 10 needs side this kelpondi. So then A by B is equal to 12 by 10. Let me calculate. 2 6 and 2 5. Okay, so 6 by 5. Already you know A is to B or A by B is same, right? A is to B or A by B is same. So same like this. So 6 is to 5, guys. Here 6 is to 5. Okay, so their ages we don't know. Let X, guys. Here their ages we don't know. Let X. Then 6x is to 5x. 6x is to 5x, guys. Read the next statement, guys. Here 5 years hence. Hence means plus 6x plus 5 is to 5x plus 5. Okay, 5 years hence their total ages will be 13 times the difference of their ages. Okay, the difference of their ages, right? So total ages, total means adding, their total ages will be 13 times the difference of their ages. Okay, so 6x and 5x, 11x plus 5 plus 5, 10 is equal to 6x minus 5x, x into 13, 13x. 13x minus 11x, 2x is equal to 10, and 2 1s are 2 5s are. X is equal to how many years, guys? 5 years. Find out the elder one. Elder one means, so 6x here. 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30 years. That's why option 4 is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Right. I think no need pen and paper and problem clear ga observe chese chalu, will get the answer and so first read the question properly, will get the answer. Any doubts regarding this question?
Easy method, sir. Easy method.
And maybe don't expect any problems అనేవి మనకి సో అంటే కొన్ని problems shortcuts work out over, definitely we are going to basic method. Already starting, I told you 70% we are using shortcut methods, option verification method. Only 30% we are using basic method. Maybe 1 or 2 problems we are going to basic method. Got my point?
Only with practice we can get this.
Yes. Okay, good. Any doubts regarding this question, guys?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. And next one. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Shiva. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Shiva's age. After further 8 years, how many times he would be Shiva's age? Okay. First read the first statement carefully, guys. Here, Father is aged 3 times more than his son Shiva. Shiva age is we don't know. Let x guys here. So father is how many times? 3 times. X into 3, 3x. More means adding. More than his son. Son age is how much? X. So 3x plus x is how much? 4x is to x. So read the next statement. After 80 years, okay, after means plus 4x plus 8 is to x plus 8. Okay, he would be means father 4x plus 8. He would be 2.5 times. 2.5 means 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2 means 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2. So he would be 2.5 times of Shiva's age. Shiva age is how much? X plus 8. Okay, let me calculate. So 2 inside this question. Then 2 into 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 into x plus 8. Okay, let me calculate. So 2 into 4, 8x plus 8 to the 16 is equal to and 5x plus 40. Let me calculate. 8x minus 5x, 3x, 40 minus 16. How much, guys? 24. So let me calculate. 3 ones are 3 eights are. X is equal to how many years, guys? 8 years. X is equal to how many years? 8 years. So first find out the father age and son age. So son is how much? X. Okay. So X means how many years? 8 years. And father is 4x. 4 eights are 32. Now father age is 32 years. Son age is 8 years. Okay. Read the next statement. After means plus. How many years after? 8 years. So 32 plus 8, 40. 8 plus 8, 16. Further 8 years. Further means again after. Further 8 years. 40 plus 8, 48. 16 plus 8, 24. Okay. Now son age is 24 years. Father age is 48 years. How many times, guys? Two times. Two times. That's why option 2 is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. So enter the problem no emundadandi ikkada. No formulas, but only formation is there. Only formation is there. So మీరు ఈ formation గాని form చేయగలిగితే చాలు, will get the answer. First read the question properly. అద్భుతాలు
వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకొని చివరి చెప్పండి.
ఏంటండి?
Starting.
So starting. Okay. So first read the question properly, guys. Here, I think so. No magics here. Right. Listen. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Shiva. Shiva age is we don't know. Let x, guys, here. Shiva age is we don't know. Let x. Okay. Father is how many times? 3 times. X into 3, 3x. More means adding. More means adding. More than his son. Son age is how much? X. Okay. Then 3x plus x is 4x and is to x. Read the next statement. After 8 years, after means plus 4x plus 8 is to x plus 8. He would be, he means father. So 4x plus 8, he would be 2.5 times. 2 1 by 2 means 5 by 2. Then 5 by 2. 2.5 times of Shiva's age. Shiva age is how much? X plus 8. Then find out the x value. So x value is 8. Okay. Then substitute here. Substitute here. So son age is x means 8 years. Father age is 4x means 32 years. Okay. Now read the next statement. After 8 years. So father age is now 32 years. After 8 years, 40 years. And son age is after 8 years, 16 years. And further 8 years, again further 8 years. 40 plus 8, 48, and 16 plus 8, 24. Now, son age is 24 years and father age is 48 years. So that's why 2 times. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Any doubts regarding this question, guys, all of you?
Clear.
Okay, very good, excellent. Right, and move on to next one. The present age of a father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. 3 years hence, father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. Find the present age of the father. Find the present age of the father. Okay, right. So first read the question properly and which option is the right answer, guys, here. Okay. The present age of father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. Son age is we don't know, let x guys here. Son age is we don't know, let x. So father is how many times? 3 times
3x.
x into 3, 3x. Okay,
3x plus 3.
more than 3 years, more than 3 years. It is a formation guys here. It is a formation. Okay, so more than 3 years, right? Read the next statement. 3 years hence. Hence means plus. Okay, so plus x plus 3. Okay, so 3 plus 3, 6. So 3x plus 6 is to x plus 3. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Up to now?
Sir, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Read the next statement. Father's age will be, father age is how much? 3x plus 6. Father's age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. Son age is how much? X plus 3. It is a formation. It is a formation. Okay, right. Find out the x value, guys, here. So 3x plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 2 into x, 2x, 2 3s are 6. Okay, let me calculate, guys, here. Find out the x value. So plus 6 and minus 6 cancel, guys, here. Right? So 3x minus 2x, x is equal to, so 10 years. X is equal to how many years? 10 years. Find out the present age of father. Present father is how many parts here? 3x plus 3. The father is equal to 3 into x value is how much? 10 plus 3. So then 10 into 3, 30, 30 plus 3, 33. So father's present age is how much, guys? 33 years. That's why option A is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubts regarding this question?
No, no, no. No, sir.
Okay, right. So ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి మనం వితౌట్ పెన్ తో సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. నో ఇష్యూ ఇక్కడ. మేబీ ఒక 2-3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండి డెఫినెట్లీ. ఓకే, రైట్. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్, గైస్? ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. నో ఇష్యూ. If you have any doubts, please ask me. No issue.
No, sir.
What type of questions?
No
sir?
doubt.
What type of
Questions, sir? You this one. You're telling
Problem
arithmetic.
yes, arithmetic aptitude.
Okay.
So yesterday I told you na, so aptitude topics and reasoning topics. So this topic
Sir.
belongs to aptitude.
Sir, recording sessions is not available.
So already
Yesterday
ఈ
we
సెషన్స్
didn't
నేను
attend.
రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను, బట్ మన ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ వాళ్ళు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తారు. నో ఇష్యూ అండి. నేను ఒకసారి ఇంటిమేషన్ ఇస్తాను సార్ వాళ్ళకి. నో ఇష్యూ. ఓకే,
Thank you,
రైట్.
sir.
And move on to next one. The difference between the present ages of Praveen and Javed is 4 years. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be 9:8. What is Praveen's age at present? Yes, very good. Excellent question. What is Praveen's age at present? Anyone, guys? What is the answer? Use common sense, guys. We'll get the answer. Praveen and Javed. The difference between Praveen and Javed is 4 years. A very good question. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be, the difference between Praveen and Javed is 4 years. After 5 years, the ratio is how much? 9:8. Then find out the Praveen's present age. Anyone, guys? What is the answer? Okay, look at the screen, guys. Here, I think no need pen and paper, and pen paper also is not required. Problem choose it all within fraction of seconds. Answer page. Right. Sorry. I'm going to first of all basic method. The difference between Praveen and Javed is 4 years. After 5 years, age ratio is given here, guys. Here. After 5 years, Praveen is 9 parts and Javed is 8 parts here. Okay, right. So 9 and 8. Difference is how many parts, guys? One
So
part.
31 years.
One part is equal to how many years? 4
So
years.
31 years. Is it 31
Yes,
years?
yes, very good, excellent. 31 is the right answer. Very good. Right. 31 is the right answer. Right. So Praveen is 9 parts and Javed is 8 parts. Difference is 1 part. 1 part is equal to 4 years. So find out the Praveen's age. Praveen is how many parts? 9 parts. 1 part is how many years? 4 years. 9 fours are 36 years. This 36 years epudandi. After 5 years, 36 years, we have to find out the present age. So after 5 years, Praveen's age is 36 years. Now present age is how much, guys?
31.
31 years. Very good. So that's why option 2 is the right answer. Okay. So ఈ ప్రాసెస్ మొత్తం మనకు అవసరం లేదండి. సో ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ అ టైం వేస్ట్ అండి. సో ప్రాబ్లం చూడగానే జస్ట్ విత్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్ లో ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తామంటే, లిజన్ గైస్ హియర్, గివెన్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఏజెస్ ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years ఏజెస్. గివెన్ ఆప్షన్స్.
Present ages.
Yes, very good. Present ages. But here is given after 5 years age ratio is given, right? That's why I'm adding here 5 years. So after 5 years age ratio is given. That's why I'm adding here 5 years, right? 32 plus 5, 37, 31 plus 5, 36, 24 plus 5, 29, 28 plus 5, 33. Okay, go through option verification. Find out the present age of Praveen. Praveen is how many parts, guys, here? 9 parts. Go through option verification. So 37 is a multiples of 9.
No, sir.
No, that's why first option is the wrong option. 29 is a multiples of 9.
No, sir.
No, that's why option 3 also wrong option. 33 is a multiples of 9.
No, sir.
No, that's why option 4 is the wrong answer. So 36 is a multiples of 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why option 2 is the right answer. Is it clear, guys, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, very good. And move on to next question. The ratio of ages of 2 persons is 5:9, and the age of one of them is greater than that of the other by 40 years. The sum of their ages is in years is.
140.
Yes, very good. So already I told you, greater than problem is given. Just simply add the given ratio. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 related answer is 140. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Otherwise, go to basic method, no issue. 5 parts, 9 parts. Difference is how many parts? 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to how many years greater than 40 years? 4 parts is equal to 40 years. 1 part is how much, guys? 10 years. So 4 ones are, 4 tens are. First, find out the first person A. 5 into 10, 50. 9 into 10, 90. The sum of our ages, 50 plus 90, 140 is the answer. Okay, Elena solve cheychu, no issue one. Right? I think simple problem. Any doubts regarding this question?
No, sir.
Okay, very good, excellent. And move on to next one, Andy. The ratio between Sumit and Prakash age at present is 2:3. Sumit is 6 years younger than Prakash. The ratio of Sumit age to Prakash age after 6 years will be. Good question. After 6 years will be.
Three is to 4.
P is to 3:4, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Excellent. Right. So, e problem ela solve chestarante, the given ratio 2:3 and simply +1 add chestan ante nenu ikkada. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. The answer is 3:4 అని చెప్పేస్తాను అంతే. ఓకేనా? సో +1 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తారో తర్వాత చెప్తాను. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బేసిక్ మెథడ్ అండి. ఓకే, రైట్. Sumit and Prakash. The given ratio in one second, tell me. Okay, right. First, I'm going to basic method, guys, here. Sumit and Prakash. The ratio between Sumit and Prakash age present 2:3. Sumit is 6 years younger than Prakash. It means we are checking difference. Sumit is 2 parts, Prakash is 3 parts. Difference is how many parts? 1 part. 1 part is equal to how many years, guys? 6 years. 1 part is equal to how many years? 6 years. First, find out the Sumit age. Sumit is how many parts here? 2 parts. 2 into 6, 12. Sumit age is how much, guys? 12 years. Find out the Prakash age. Prakash, how many parts here? 3 parts. So 3 into 6, 18 years. Okay. So read the next statement, guys, here. Sumit age, Prakash to age after 6 years will be. We have to find out the after 6 years age ratio. Right. After means plus. So 12 plus 6 and 18 plus 6. 12 plus 6 is how much? 18. 18 plus 6 is how much? 20. 24. Let me calculate. So 6 threes are and 6 fours are. After 6 years, the age ratio is how much, guys? 3:4. That's why option 4 is the right answer. Is it clear, guys? All of you basic method? Okay. I think not required. ఇది మొత్తం solve చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. ఇది మొత్తం solve
Sir, can
చేయాల్సిన
you
అవసరం-
repeat?
Yes, sure. Okay, right. So the given problem here, Sumit and Prakash, age ratio is given 2:3. The difference between, so the ratio between 2:3, right? The given statement here, Sumit is 6 years younger than Prakash. Okay, younger than Prakash, and we are checking difference. So 2, 3, difference is how much? 1 part. 1 part is equal to how many years younger than? 6 years younger than, right? 6 years younger than. So now find out the Sumit age. Sumit is 2 parts. 1 part is equal to how many years? 6 years. Okay, then 2 into 6, 12 years. Find out the Prakash age. Prakash is how many parts? 3 parts. 1 part is how much? 6 years. So then 3 6 are 18 years. Okay, right? So now Sumit age is 12 years. Prakash age is 18 years. We have to find out the after 6 years age ratio. After 6 years age ratio. That's why after means plus. After means plus. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Let me calculate, guys, here. So 6 threes are and 6 fours are. After 6 years, age ratio is how much, guys? 3:4. That's why option 4 is the right answer. Clear, and all of you? Right. But ఇది మొత్తం సాల్వ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. I think it's a time waste అండి. So the given ratio is 2:3. Look at the screen, guys, carefully. 1 part is equal to how many years, guys?
6 years.
Yes, 1 part is equal to 6 years. 6 years is equal to how many parts, guys? 1 part. Okay, 1 part is equal to 6 years. 6 years is equal to 1 part. We have to find out the after 6 years. అంటే ఇప్పుడు 6 years యాడ్ చేయడం కన్నా 1 part యాడ్ చేయడం బెటర్ కదండి. Yes or no? So that's why I'm simply adding here 1 part, 1 part. So 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 plus 1, 4. That's why answer is 3:4 after 6 years, because 1 part is equal to 6 years. 6 years is equal to 1 part. So అందరిలాగా 6 parts add చేసి 6 years add చేసి calculate చేసి time waste చేయొద్దు, because 1 part is equal to 6 years. 6 years is equal to 1 part. That's why I'm adding here. So plus 1 plus 1. Is it clear, all of you? So ఇక్కడ 1 part is equal to 6 years. That's why we have to find out the after 6 years. Both are same కాబట్టి simply I'm adding. So plus 1 plus 1. ఇప్పుడు డౌట్ రావచ్చు, సేమ్ గా లేకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి సార్? నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తే అక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ?
Yes, sir. Great.
Okay, very good. Right, next one. If 4 years ago, the ratio between the ages of P and Q was 5:6, and the sum of their ages at present is 52 years. What is the ratio of their ages, their present ages? What is the ratio of their present ages? Very good, Andy. Simple question and some tricky question. I think no need pen and paper. Okay, right. So the given ratio is 5:6, Andy. నేను సింపుల్ గా +1 యాడ్ చేసేస్తాను. సో 5 + 1 6, 6 + 1 7. దట్స్ వై ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 6:7. ఏంటి సార్ మీ ఇష్ట ప్రకారం యాడ్ చేస్తారా? ఎస్, నా ఇష్ట ప్రకారం యాడ్ చేస్తాను.
డౌట్ సార్.
ఏంటి చెప్పండి.
సార్ +1 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయాలి సార్?
ఎస్ నేను చెప్తానండి. +1 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయాలో నేను చెప్తాను ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బేసిక్ మెథడ్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ +1 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయాలో నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. నో ఇష్యూ అండి. రైట్. ద గివెన్ ప్రాబ్లం 4 years ago 4 years ago 4 years ago the ratio is given 5:6 అండి. 4 years ago the ratio is 5:6. Okay, and the sum of their ages 52 years అండి. So look at the screen guys here. P plus Q, the total sum age is how much guys? 52 years. Look at the screen guys here. Now present age is 52 years. So 4 years ago their ages was how much guys? 44. Very good, excellent. 44. Okay, present both age is 52 years. 4 years ago their ages was 44 years అండి. The sum of their అన్నాడు ఇక్కడ sum కాబట్టి adding అంటే 5 + 6 ఎంత అండి? 11. 11 parts is equal to 44 years. 11 parts is equal to 44 years. One part is how much guys? 11 ones are 11 fours are. One part is how much? 4 years. Now find out the pH. So 5 into 4, 20 years. pH is how much? 20 years. And Q age is how much guys? 6 fours are 24 years. But so 20 years, 24 years. Epudandi 5 years ago. 5 years ago, 20 years, 24 years. But we have to find out the present ages and then simply add the 4 years. And then Andy, say sir no. 20 plus 4, 24. 24 plus 4, 28. Okay, so 4 6s are and 4 7s are. That's why answer is 6:7. Clear and the basic method all of you?
Okay, sir.
Right. సో అందరూ ఏంటంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తుంటారు, బట్ మీరు ఇలా సాల్వ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. బికాస్ సో జస్ట్ క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. 1 part is equal to 4 years. 4 years is equal to 1 part. ఓకే, సో సింపుల్ గా మీరు 4 years యాడ్ చేశారు. నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను? 4 years యాడ్ చేయొద్దు బాబు. సో 1 part యాడ్ చేయండి అని చెప్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే 1 part is equal to 4 years. 4 years is equal to 1 part. That's why answer is 6:7. చెప్పచ్చా అండి?
సార్ ఈ మెథడ్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాం?
సో ఈ మెథడ్ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేస్తామంటే చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మనకి ఇక్కడ 1 part is equal to 4 years అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 4 years కి మాత్రమే మన ఏజ్ కనుక్కోమన్నప్పుడు ఈ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తామండి. అంటే బోత్ సేమ్ గా ఉండాలి. సేమ్ గా లేకపోతే నో ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం సేమ్ గా ఉండదు. అక్కడ సేమ్ లేకపోతే ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో అక్కడ కూడా చెప్తాను. నో ఇష్యూ అండి. బట్ ఇలాంటి ప్యాటర్న్ మాత్రమే. సో అంటే బోత్ ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండాలి. చెప్పండి.
4 years ago మీకు 44 ఎలా వచ్చింది?
ఎస్, నేను ఎస్బీఐ క్లాస్ విన్నారా మీరు? Okay, no problem. So 2%, AB present age is 60 years. For example, guys, AB present the sum age is 60 years, and 4 years ago their ages was how much, guys? And 52 years అని చెప్తాం. Because A is myself and B is yourself అండి. అంటే నా ఏజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. నా ఏజ్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే నాకు 4 years డిడక్ట్ అవుతుంది అండ్ మీకు కూడా 4 years డిడక్ట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే టోటల్ హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ డిడక్టెడ్? 8 years డిడక్టెడ్. 60 minus 8, 52 years. క్లియర్ అండి? సేమ్ ప్యాటర్న్. బోత్ ప్రెసెంట్ సమ్ ఏజ్ ఇస్ 52 years అండి. 4 years ago బ్యాక్ వెళ్తున్నాం అంటే P కి 4 years, Q కి 4 years అంటే టోటల్ 8 years మనం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. 52 minus 8 is how much? 44 years. క్లియర్ అండి? సింపుల్ జనరల్ గా థింక్ చేయండి. నా ఏజ్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. నా ఏజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సేమ్ లాజిక్. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubts regarding this question?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Right. And move on to next one, Andy. The ratio of the present ages of two boys is 3:4. After 3 years, the ratio of their ages is equal to will be 4:5. The ratio of their ages after 21 years will be, yes, very good, Andy. After 21 years will be 3:4. సింపుల్ గా ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూడగానే వితిన్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్స్ ఎలా చెప్తానంటే నేను సో సింపుల్ గా +7 యాడ్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, 7 + 3 10, 4 + 7 11. సో దెన్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ సో 10:11 అని చెప్పేస్తాను. ఎందుకు చెప్తారు సార్? మీ ఇష్ట ప్రకారం యాడ్ చేస్తారంటే ఎస్, నా ఇష్ట ప్రకారం యాడ్ చేస్తాను. బట్ ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇస్తాను. నో ఇష్యూ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So if you are going to basic method, if you are going to shortcut method, we'll get the answer and no issue. I'm going to shortcut method here. So the given information A is to B, for example, two boys ratio is 3:4. After 3 years ratio is how much? 4:5. So I'm going to shortcut method, cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15, 4 4s are 16. Difference is how much? 1. Again difference is how much? 1. First find out the first boy. So 3 3s are 9, and find out the second boy. 3 4s are 12. Okay, so second difference. So step 2 difference is 1. Step 1 difference is 1. So don't write, guys. I think it's time waste. Andy. Trials awesome level. Right. Problem lemonado. After 21 years anadandi. After and andi plus ay kada. So plus. So 21 plus 9 is how much? 30. So 12 plus 21 is how much? 33. So now calculate. So 3 10s are 3 11s are. That's why answer is 10:11. Option 4 is the right answer. And ఈ చెత్త మొత్తం సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ కూర్చుంటామా? I think not required. And
like +7 యాడ్ చేయాలి or +1 అలా.
yes, నేను చెప్తాను. నో ఇష్యూ అండి. మీరు సో టెన్షన్ పడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. సో ప్రీవియస్ గా ఏంటి అంటే ఇక్కడ సో 4 years కి యాడ్ చేయమని అడిగాడు. ఇక్కడ మనకి 4 years యాడ్ చేయమన్నాడు కాబట్టి 1 part is equal to 4 years కాబట్టి సింపుల్ గా నేను 1 part యాడ్ చేశాను. ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ లో కూడా సో ఆఫ్టర్ 6 years తర్వాత మనకి సో ఏజ్ రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. ఇక్కడ 1 part 6 years ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను సింపుల్ గా 1 part యాడ్ చేశాను. బట్ ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఏమన్నాడు ఇక్కడ సో ఆఫ్టర్ 21 years అన్నాడు అండి. ఆఫ్టర్ 21 years అన్నాడు. ఓకేనా? సో అందుకే +7 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేశాను ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సో నో ఇష్యూ అండి. 1 second.
21/3.
Yes, very good. The present age ratio is how much? 3:4. Okay, after 3 years, the ratio is how much? So 4:5. Okay, look at the screen, guys, here. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి sorry, present age ki and so after 3 years age ki, so difference is how much, guys, here? 1 part. Okay, again Q kuda, so second boy kuda difference is how much? 1 part. And 1 part is equal to how many years, Andy? 3 years. And then guys, okay, present age ratio is 3:4 Andy. After 3 years the ratio is 4:5. And 3 years difference ki how many parts difference? 1 part Andy. 1 part ki 3 years difference వచ్చింది. అంటే సో మనకి 21 years కి కావాలి. ఆఫ్టర్ 21 years కి how many parts? అది తెలిసే చాలా.
21 divided by 3.
yes ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. సో 3 years అనేది 21 years అవడానికి how many times అండి? 7 times. 7 3s are 21 అండి. సేమ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఇయర్. సో ఇంటూ 7 చేస్తాం అంటే 7 parts. అంటే అందుకని సింపుల్ గా నేను ఇందాక ఏం చేశాను? సో +7 యాడ్ చేశాను. ఓకే, సో 10:11 అని చెప్పాను ఇందాక. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? రైట్. ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం లో ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years తర్వాత అనుకోండి సింపుల్ గా నేను 1 part యాడ్ చేసేవాడిని. ప్రాబ్లం ఏమన్నా 21 years అన్నాడు కాబట్టి సింపుల్ గా నేను సో 7 parts యాడ్ చేశాను. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? 1 part ఎప్పుడు యాడ్ చేయాలి, 7 parts ఎప్పుడు యాడ్ చేయాలి, రిమైనింగ్ పార్ట్స్ ఎప్పుడు యాడ్ చేయాలని. అంటే ప్రాబ్లం ని బట్టి మనం పార్ట్స్ అనేవి చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటాం అంతే. ఈక్వల్ గా లేనప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం? మనమే ఈక్వల్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, వాడు ఈక్వల్ గా ఇచ్చాడు అనుకోండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఈక్వల్ గా లేకపోతే మనమే ఈక్వల్ చేద్దాం అక్కడ. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? Any doubts regarding this question, guys?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
Okay, right. And move on to next one. Yeah. Any doubts?
3, 4,
Okay. The present age of A and B are in the ratio of 5:6 respectively. After 7 years, this ratio becomes 6:7. Then the present age of A is in years is. I think it's very dead easy and so don't use pen and paper. Find out the present age of A. Present A is how many parts? 5 parts.
30 years.
Yes, very good. After 7 years. So after 7 is A is how many parts? 6 parts. Go through option verification. What is the first option? What is the first option? 35. 35 is the multiples of 5.
Yes.
Yes. After how many years? 7 years. So 35 plus 7 is how much? 42. 42 is a multiples of 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why option A is the right answer. 35 years is the present age of A and B. And then no need pen and paper. First model problem. Any doubts regarding this question?
One more, sir.
Yes, yes, simply and first problem same like this. Okay, so find out the present age of A. Present A is 5 parts. After 7 years, A is 6 parts. Go through option verification. The first option is 35. 35 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 sevens are 35. So after means plus. How many years? 7 years. 35 plus 7, 42. 42 is a multiples of 6. Yes, 7 6 are 42. That's why option 1 is the right answer. A present age is 35.
Okay.
Clear and all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, 30 కూడా అయింది కదా సార్.
ఏంటండి చెప్పండి ఒకసారి.
37 is not a multiple.
37 is సో ఆప్షన్ లో 37 ఇక్కడ లేదు కదా.
After 8 years and after 8 years and
ఆఫ్టర్
suppose after 8 years and applying as
సో అప్పుడు ఆప్షన్స్ మనకి అప్పుడు చేంజ్ అయిపోతాయి కదా. ఆఫ్టర్ 8 years అన్నప్పుడు ఆప్షన్స్ చేంజ్ అయిపోతాయి మనకి అక్కడ. ఆప్షన్స్ బట్టి మనం వెరిఫై చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తాం. లేదు అనుకోండి ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని ఎందుకు అనుకోండి షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ వెళ్ళిపోండి. సో 5:6 6:7 ఆఫ్టర్ 8 years ఇంకా షార్ట్ కట్ తెలుసు కదా మీకు. ఆఫ్టర్ 8 years అంటే ఇప్పుడు 7 years కాబట్టి 7 years రిలేటెడ్ గా ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తారు మనకి. 8 years అన్నప్పుడు 8 years కి రిలేటెడ్ గా మనకి ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తారు. క్లియర్ అండి?
yes.
Okay, very good అండి. లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. The present age of Rama is 8 times the age of the sun. 8 years hence, the ratio of the ages of Rama and his sons will be 10:3. How old is Rama at present? Simple problem. Rama and his son. So the present age of Rama is, what is the answer?
32 years.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. 32 years is the right answer. Rama is 8 times the age of his son. Son age is we don't know. Let 1. Okay, Rama is how many times? 8 times. So of 8 years hence, the ratio is given 10:3 and 8. You can go through option verification. The first option is 32. 32 is a multiples of 8. Yes. Okay. So after 8 years, so 32 plus 8, 40. 40 is a multiples of 10. Yes. That's why option 1 is the right answer. Clear and all of you?
So can you repeat?
Yes, yes, very good. Okay. So here is given Rama and his son. The first statement, the present age of Rama is 8 times the age of his son. His son age is we don't know. Let 1. Rama is how many times? 8 times. The now ratio is 8:1. 8 years hence, ratio is given here. 8 years hence, ratio is how much? 10:3. Okay, go through option verification. What is the first option? 32. Find out the Rama present day. Rama is present 8 parts. After 8 years, 10 parts. Okay, 32. 32 is a multiples of 8. Yes or no? 8 fours
Yeah,
are 32. Right. After 8 years, after means plus. 10 means plus. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 is a multiples of 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
that's why option 1 is the right answer అండి. లేదు ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు సార్ మాకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అనిపించింది మల్టిపుల్స్ ఏంటి ఇవన్నీ తలకాయని పోస్తుంది మాకు అనిపించింది అనుకోండి గో త్రూ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ ఇంకేంటి షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ ఉంది కదా సో ఆఫ్టర్ 8 years క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 8 3s are 24 okay so 10 1s are 10 difference is how much సో ఇవన్నీ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండి ఎందుకంటే షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ మీకు తెలుసు ఫాస్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ సో డిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్ హౌ మచ్ 7 ఓకే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద రామా ఏజ్ రామా ఇస్ హౌ మచ్ హియర్ 8 8 8s are 64 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference okay 7 1s are 7 2s are okay 2 1s are 2 3s are and 2 2s are Rama age is how much guys 32 years that's why first option is the right answer and then any doubts regarding this question, guys?
No, sir.
Sir, no.
Yes, very good.